Hey guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. It's your girl Alicia, and today I'm back with another haul. And this haul I'm super duper excited about because if you don't know, then now you know that I do like Disney. I love Disney stuff. And why did iHeartRevolution come out with makeup palettes that are Disney? Yeah, you know your girl had to grab them all. Now I've been looking for these palettes since December, the beginning of December, when everyone said they were like at Marshalls and everything and TJ Maxx, and I did not see them at all. But why did I walk into Target and I saw like all of them? So if you like hauls, then let's get into this video, shall we? So you know your girl used the makeup and I had to do a makeup look, so I will just show you. Yes, I did use the makeup for this look. So if you want to see kind of what I used to get this look, I am not a makeup guru, so I'm not going to show you a tutorial, but I will tell you the makeup eyeshadows that I did use. So let's get into the video, shall we? I'm so excited for this video, so let's go. So okay, so I went to Target and Target had the Beauty and the Beast palette, they had the Ariel palette, and they had the Princess Tiana palette. Now, if you know me, go ahead and guess which ones I picked up, okay? So your girl, first, I went and I grabbed the Little Mermaid palette. Now, I don't know why, but this palette spoke to me. I think it was maybe just like the colors. So it comes like this. You can see kind of like all the colors that come with it. Now, I do love reds and I love, you know, my colors are red, blue, and greens. So when I saw this, I saw like the emerald green and I saw the red and I saw the mustard color and I said, let's go. So I did grab this palette first. Now, they all come in a little box that literally looks just like the packaging. So you just open them up and inside it comes out just like this. And these were $20 a piece for them. So I will show you this one. It comes in a book. It's beautiful. It's pink. It matches the Beauty Room. So like the color and everything was just like perfect. I do like The Little Mermaid, the movie. And this book is just absolutely beautiful. You can store them just like a book would in your beauty room. Super duper pretty. So let's see the palette. Okay, and yes, this is the palette that I used to get this look. Okay, so if you want to see the colors I used, let's go. So when you open it, it looks like this. Beautiful colors. These are gorgeous, and yes, they are well made. iHeartRevolution is killing the game. Their stuff is affordable, but it's also quality. So I went ahead and for this look, I used Sebastian and I used Triton, okay, and I used Flounder. So I used Sebastian, Flounder, and Triton. I mixed all those together to get this gorgeous look that I'm rocking today. And when I saw the palette, those are the colors I saw going together, so I could not wait to make this look. So on this side, they come with like, these are blushes and then these are highlighters. So yes, this highlighter could work for me and maybe this blush, but it's not necessarily catered to my skin tone for the blushes and stuff. But yes, there are some that my skin color could use. Okay, so yes, so multiple people could use this. I think fair, medium, and dark, depending on what your color is, you could probably get away with these. Now these colors, like I said, they're not extremely pigmented, but they are pigmented enough to get the look that you want. So yes, a woman of color could totally use these. And I do love this color. This color is like one of my favorite colors, amethyst. That's my birthstone color. So when I saw that, I got excited, and I love emerald greens. And then I think the reds, the mustards. Now the mustards, you do have to layer a lot. I did have to layer this a lot. I had to use my finger for the Triton Gold for it to pop, but they do work. You just have to layer them a little bit for some of the lighter colors, but I just thought this palette was just absolutely gorgeous. Inside it says, see the possibilities. So Ariel, love. Okay, on to the next palette. So the next one is, you know your girl had to grab the Princess Tiana. Okay, that's my girl. Okay, so yes, I also had to grab the Princess Tiana. Now at first, I wasn't sure if I wanted to grab both of them. I first grabbed the Little Mermaid first, and I was like, girl, go back and get Tiana. Okay, I don't know why I left her. But I think because like when you see these colors, they do not show up, obviously, as you've seen, they don't show true to what they are on the pictures. So that's why I'm going to do this review. Then you can see kind of like what they look like for real. So you take it out of the box. It literally matches the box. It comes out like that. She's gorgeous. She's green and gold. I love green. So I thought this was super duper pretty. And like I said, you can stack them next to each other almost like books, and they look like that. And you know I love that vibe. And that's how I have them stored in my beauty room. Super duper pretty. So yes, this is by I Heart Revolution. We have Princess and the Frog. So we're going to open her up. And this is what she looks like. Gorgeous. Now, obviously, you can see that these blushes are made for women of color. So those are gorgeous. And you have highlighters here. And then inside hers says, real dreams come true. And then on the other side, it has all these gorgeous colors. So beautiful. I cannot wait to play with these greens. And that frog color is so beautiful right here in the center. So I cannot wait to play with these colors because I know her colors are more pigmented and they do show up a little better on women of color if you wanted to know. So this palette is really designed for people that look like me. Okay, if you chocolatey like me, this is probably what you want. So this palette is beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. I have not used it yet, but it's just gorgeous, and I just want to show you guys. Once again, these palettes are 20 bucks at Target, sitting at Target. So if you want to get them, go and grab them, girl, right now, okay? So I want to share the color that's on my lips, guys. This is like a gold shimmery lip gloss. It's so beautiful. And so I went ahead and, like I said, I mixed and matched palettes to get the looks that I wanted. And I think I prefer, I would suggest to do that. Get what you want. Like, get the ones that you like. Like, just because the sets come together, like they come with like lip glosses, they come with a blush, a highlighter, and they come with the palette. So I suggest that you get the ones that you want. Just because it comes as a set, don't get it as a set per se, because I feel like their sets are not really going together that well. And I've mixed and matched and found some amazing stuff and made some amazing like combos. So just saying. So this lip gloss is not from either one of those collections. This is from the Beauty and the Beast collection. Okay. And this is the Beauty and the Beast gloss is what it looks like. It's so gorgeous. Now on here, see, look, now this does not look anything like what it's supposed to be. This is like orange, but this actually is gold. It's a gold glitter lip gloss. It's gorgeous. If you want to look like 24 karat gold, okay, and look expensive, girl, grab this lip gloss, okay? I think this lip gloss, I think it was $7 or $6.99, something like that. So it's a great steal of a deal. It looks beautiful. It has a gold top and it's just gold and shimmery, and it says Beauty and the Beast on it. This is just beautiful, okay? And like I said, when you put it on, it just looks like this. It looks amazing. And I just want to sparkle and shine like I'm expensive, okay? Let's go. And it matches my highlighter that I have, that I use every day perfectly. So I just love this color combo. It's just so pretty, and I'm just like glowing. Okay, and I just look expensive, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I did grab this one also, and I love that. So basically, this lipstick, I paired it with the Little Mermaid eye palette, and I already have a gold highlighter, which it matches perfectly with. So that's kind of how I made my look. Okay, so now I also went and grabbed the Princess Tiana highlighter, which actually is very similar to the color that I have on. So I grabbed the Princess and the Frog palette. It's basically the same color. I grabbed this one. Now this is a highlighter because, like I said, each one of them comes with a palette, and it comes with a separate highlighter for each princess. And it also comes with a lip, they call it a lip topper, which is basically a lip gloss. Okay, and like I said, I mixed and matched them to do what I wanted to do. Okay, because you know your girl does what she wants. Okay, so this one is basically the same color as what I have on my cheek. It's very similar. I swatched them. They're exactly the same color. But I went with my go-to just because it was out already. But yes, this is the exact same color. So if you want to know, it looks like, it basically just looks just like this. It's gorgeous. And it says, real dreams come true on the inside. It's a heart shape. And then you have the beautiful highlighter. I hope I'm not blinding you guys. A gorgeous highlighter in the center, and it's a gold color. And it's perfect for Tiana. So I did grab that. So that's kind of like what they look like together. And then she has a lip topper, and her lip topper is more like a copper color, which I wasn't feeling, so I didn't grab. Okay, so I left that one. Okay, so then I went to TJ Maxx because I heard TJ Maxx had finally come out with these palettes I've been looking for since December, y'all. And lo and behold, I went and they were there. So I will show you these next ones next. So the next ones I grabbed were it's the Snow White palette. Now, it's the Snow White Sleeping, like, not Sleeping Beauty. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs I Heart Revolution palette. Now, this palette I wanted so bad because it's a neutral palette. It's so perfect. It's like the Seven Dwarfs colors, which, you know, they were like browns and all these orange, like red oranges kind of colors. So when I saw this palette, I said, I want that. So I grabbed it. This was I think it retails for $7 or something, or $9, something like that. So I grabbed the palette here, okay, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. These are gorgeous colors, guys, so pretty. Okay, especially, I think this is Bashful. No, this is Grumpy. Grumpy, I really like that color. So these are perfect neutrals for you. So if you are interested, I don't want to blind you guys again, so I'm just going to show you the colors. But I feel like for, like I said, for chocolate people, this is a perfect palette once again, because, but I feel like it's really for anybody. It's really for everybody. It's for everyone. Fair, medium, dark skin colors. It's for everyone. But I feel like for my skin tone, these colors are really nice neutral colors. So it's a nice little go-to palette. So I'm excited to use this. It's almost like an everyday type palette. So super duper cute, grabbed. And then whilst I was in there, they had four more. So I went ahead and I grabbed all of these, and these are listed on my eBay. So if you want to support me and my eBay closet, then you can go check out my eBay closet listed in the description box down below. Just click down there in the box in the comment section, in the details section down below, where I list all my information, and you'll see my eBay closet. Click on the link there and you can go and buy one of these if you want to support me, okay, and my eBay. All right, so those will be sitting there if you'd like to check that out. And then the next thing that I also grabbed when I was in there, they only had one of these, and I got super duper excited because I just felt like I needed to get it for whatever reason. I didn't even care if it worked with my skin or nothing. I just wanted to grab it. I didn't even know what color it was, nothing, okay? So I grabbed this next one. It's Sleeping Beauty. It's the Sleeping Beauty highlighter, okay? Now, when I saw this, I said, this is not going to work for me, okay? But I looked at some reviews online, and guess what? It does. It does. Okay, if I can get out of the box. That's the only issue with these things. I can't get them out of their boxes very well. But anyway, so she comes out of the box like this. It looks just like the box, and it's Sleeping Beauty. And inside, it's a beautiful rose. And guess what, guys? You would think this was like a mauve color. You would think this was a pink color. You would think this was for a fair-skinned or medium skin tone person. But no, this is for everybody, okay? Anybody, well, I don't know if it's for every single body, because I don't know if a fair-skinned person would want to wear this. But I'm not sure, you do you, but it basically is a gorgeous, like, lavender color. It's a lavender highlighter, okay? And I love purple, so, like, I love wearing purple. So when I saw this, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I just was like, why is it so pretty? Okay, so it looks kind of chalky on here, but when you put it on, it's like a purple shimmery highlighter. Let me blend it out a little bit. See, isn't that pretty? I mean, it's unexpected. I've never seen a highlighter with purple glitters. And the other thing is, this highlighter would be perfectly paired with the Little Mermaid lip topper, okay, which I'm going to see if I can go back and get, but when I was in there, they did not have any more, so I'm not sure. But if they do, I will be going back and looking for that Little Mermaid lip topper, because it would pair so perfectly. Imagine that highlighted all over your face, like, oh, and then you have that Little Mermaid lip topper on top. OMG, okay, I cannot wait. I'm excited, and I'm obsessed with these palettes, guys, okay? I cannot tell you how much in love I am. I was so excited because I've been looking for these for a while. And after Christmas gift, what? Yes, let's go. So I after Christmas gifted them to myself, okay? And especially that feeling when you find something that you've been looking for a long, long time. I don't know. It can't be described, okay? So the last thing I found, now it's not part of the I Heart Revolution palettes, but it is I Heart Revolution brand. It's the I Heart Revolution, the Cocoa Pebbles. Now, why did I find the I Heart Revolution Cocoa Pebbles body butter, and why does it smell like chocolate? Okay, and if you know me, then you know that your girl loves to smell sweet like candy, okay? So when I smelled this chocolate, okay, I was like, perfect, just in time for Valentine's Day, I must just be smelling like chocolate, a piece of chocolate candy, okay? So yes, I grabbed this. It's the Cocoa Pebbles body butter. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of like mirrored by the Cocoa Pebbles of cereal, the cocoa cereal. And it looks just like this. It smells just like cocoa, literally. Chocolate, okay? And it really smells a lot like the cereal too, but it's more like just like a chocolate. So if you want to smell like chocolate and you just so happen to go to your TJ Maxx, look for this, okay? Because I found, not only did I find those Little Dwarfs palette at TJ Maxx, but I found the Sleeping Beauty palette at TJ Maxx, and I also found this Hot Cocoa body butter. And when I saw it and when I got home and smelled it, I died, okay? Because it smells amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I am excited about it. I love it. Because I love makeup and I love beauty and I love Disney, okay? And I Heart Revolution is really a good brand. It's affordable and it's awesome. And listen, look at this look I grabbed, guys. Look at this look I made, okay? So it's amazing. So if you guys are interested in this, they are sitting at Target. But if you're not able to get them from Target, then you can check out my eBay closet down below and grab one of the 7 Dwarfs palettes for yourself. They're only for $10 on my eBay if you're interested. So thank you for watching. I hope you found your inner glow through watching my video, and go out and spread that glow with others and make their day. And I will see you in the future. Bye.